Call or click and see how easy it is to schedule your windshield replacement today.
This is Community Focus on the WHKY News. I'm Rob Eastwood. The Executive Director of the Western Piedmont Council of Governments stopped by the WHKY studios. I had a chance to sit down with him to discuss a program that benefits older adults who need work done on their home. Joining us is Anthony Starr, who is the Executive Director of the Western Piedmont Council of Governments. Always good to see you. Thanks for coming in.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, it's always a lot going on with your organization. I guess you represent almost 30 local governments, correct?
Yes, 24 municipalities in 4 counties, Alexander, Burke, Caldwell, and Catawba counties.
So you stay busy. Always something to do, I guess, at COG.
Yes.
Let's talk about this program that you have currently for older citizens in the area as far as homes. I mean, improvements on homes. Tell us all about this, what this is all about.
Yeah, so it's one of the programs that we were able to, our area agency on aging led by Tina Miller, they do a great job helping the older adults in our community, and they worked really hard to secure new funding, about $1.2 million this last year through HUD. And so the program is for modifications of older adults' homes.
Okay.
It's a 3-year grant project. It's going to help about 150 older adults with improvements to the home where essential things like access and helping them age safely in place and maintain independence. It might be putting a wheelchair ramp or making their home safe or improved in some other way. They have to be, there's some income requirements that apply to it, but it helps people stay in their home longer. We know that this is a smart money investment by federal dollars because the more that we are able to keep people in their homes, the less expensive it is to maintain. Well, let me put it this way. When people go into long-term care facilities, it's much more expensive than if we're able to keep them in their homes longer.
Yeah.
So it saves us money as a society overall if we can equip people and help them maintain their independence longer. They can contact our office. You can look us up, Google the Western Piedmont Council of Governments. Our phone number is 828-322-9191. They can contact us there as well and just ask about home repairs.
Okay.
And then we'll get them connected to the right staff.
Well, thank you so much for that update, and it's always good to see you, Anthony. Thank you for coming in.
Glad to join you.
And we will talk to you again, I'm sure, in the future. Anthony Starr with the Western Piedmont Council of Governments joining us this evening here on WHKY News. Thanks again to Anthony for stopping by. Up next, Arianna Mack sat down with the Artistic Director and Conductor of the Hickory Choral Society to discuss holiday shows coming up this weekend.
Joining WHKY, Artistic Director and Conductor Dr. Ryan Luhrs for the Hickory Choral Society. Tell us about this upcoming concert. I know it kicks off the 2025-26 season.
Yes, our Christmas concerts kick off the 25-26 season, and we'll be in Corinth Reformed Church this Friday at 7:30, Saturday at 3, Saturday at 7:30, and Sunday at 3 p.m.
So it is 4 opportunities to see this concert.
That is correct.
That sounds so great. And what do you hope people take away from the Choral Society this holiday season?
Well, we want people to enjoy the season, of course, but find live music in their community as they help celebrate the Christmas season.
And what will we hear while we're there?
This concert is an attempt to commemorate uniquely American choral traditions. So, of course, we're celebrating 250 years of being the United States. So we will hear old composers who try to make unique sounds, such as William Billings, who was active from, I think, 1746 to 1800, and also composers like Duke Ellington and Mannheim Steamroller, Chip Davis, who took European models, older music, and then reimagined them, a unique sound that has become part of our soundscape. You'll also hear some traditional American music, some classical music from this country, as well as popular traditions and popular music like White Christmas and This Christmas.
Great. And I know what we'll see, over 100 plus voices from the Choral Society. Tell us about some of those age and experience levels.
Sure, across the board. We have singers who have been singing with their group for all 48 years, as well as folks who are still college students who are in their early 20s and everything in between. So we have people who are retired and people who are still working. They put in an 8-hour shift as a nurse or as a landscaper or as a teacher, and then come to rehearsals and make these performances happen for the community.
Yes, and I know that Hickory Choral Society concerts are free, but is there any reservation or anything that needs to happen?
No reservation is necessary. You can just show up at the concert. We do recommend that people, if they're able to, come on Saturday at the 3 or 7:30 performance, or Friday night, tomorrow night at 7:30. The Sunday performance is pretty booked up. We do afford the opportunity for people who want to purchase a membership to then have reserved seats. And for whatever reason, folks who get those memberships like most to come on Sunday, so that performance is pretty full.
Of course. And how can we find out a little bit more about Hickory Choral Society?
I recommend going online, hickorychoralsociety.org, and navigating the website there.
Thank you so much for joining us, Dr. Ryan Luhrs. To learn more about the Hickory Choral Society, visit their website. I'm Arianna Mack reporting for WHKY.
Thanks, Arianna, and thanks to Dr. Luhrs for stopping by. That wraps up Community Focus and the WHKY News today. Remember, you can get all of the latest news and sports 24/7 at our website, WHKY.com. We also have local news and sports 7 days a week on our sister station, WHKY Radio, 1290 AM and 102.3 FM, and streaming on multiple platforms and at our website. Thank you for joining us. On behalf of Arianna Mack, David Cedrone, Jason Savage, Anthony Starr, and Dr. Ryan Luhrs, I'm Rob Eastwood, and from Hickory, this is the WHKY News.